trying to walk with Jesus on a straight and narrow road, holding on to this world I just could not let go. That's such a heavy load. Come and break the yoke, Lord. Come and set this child free. Come tear down the walls of pride and all I hide beneath. Freedom always came to those who received the words you spoke. I receive your word. Break the yoke. I receive your word. Break